Susunduin ko ang aking pamilya.
Welcome to Boston!
They are flying in from Manila. Ito, favorite ko.
Ang gaganda ng strawberry, so grabe.
I want them to see where I am, where I'm living, and what it's like to be here.
Harvard Square!
Hi! Today is a very special day. Actually, paalis na ako papunta sa airport because susunduin ko ang aking pamilya. They are flying in from Manila. Papunta doon sa Boston. Susunduin ko sila dito para makapunta sila dito sa Cambridge. I'm excited. I actually am a bit panicking because wala pa akong itinerary. And to be fair, I don't think I can bring them to a lot of places kasi I've experienced jet lag. So I think for the first few days, sobrang jet lag nila. I have an initial, sabi nga ng current US President, concepts of plans on where I want to bring them. But I have to make up my mind as I travel to the airport today. Nothing crazy, just I want them to see where I am, where I'm living, and what it's like to be here. And I'm so excited for that. Just also looking forward to spending more time with my family, I guess. And medyo hindi lang maganda yung schedule kasi tomorrow is my exam. I don't know why I'm still talking. I have to go to the airport. Also guys, before I leave, just to let you know, I do all the filming, and after that, binabato ko agad sa kapatid ko, my brother. I'll put his socials here. You can hire him. Thank you, and continue supporting me, watching my videos. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Hi, sorry for interrupting. I'm looking to go to the airport.
SL1.
Okay, we've arrived. Actually, akala ko na-miss ko yung stop ko kasi parang ang inconspicuous nung Terminal E. Pero nito na ako sa Terminal E. Look. They are there. I think I am 1 hour early, which is good because wala tayong masasayang na oras. And pwede pa ako magtrabaho. I mean, maggumawa ng mga kailangan kong gawin. Anyway, muna tayo.
Welcome to Boston!
Hi, how are you doing? Good. May mga pinabili kayo sila? Ano?
Mga bolilyo. Ito mga bata.
May bingo?
Oo. Ang bingo, yema.
Meron pa?
Oh! Ang ganda naman! Ang ganda naman pala.
Ganda, no?
Ah? Ah?
Ang ganda.
Ang cute nga eh. Kala ko nasa ibang bansa ka.
Wow.
Nasa ibang bansa ka. Ang ganda. Meron ka pang kitchen. Ang daming pagkain.
Pang gym ka pa. Iuwi ko yan.
Ano yan?
Yung ano,
Bawal yan yung wait.
Montera. Ano nga?
Monstera.
Monstera. Oh, ito na yung pinaka magandang lugar sa Cambridge. Trader Joe's. It's already almost 8 p.m. and we're doing a grocery run. And okay din naman kasi sabi ni Mama gusto daw niyang puntahan yung favorite na lugar ko. So, dinala ko siya dito. Yes, it's my favorite place in all of Cambridge kasi mura na, masarap pa. I love Trader Joe's. Not an endorsement, although if Trader Joe wants to pay me, we can have a conversation about it. Ito, favorite ko.
Mushroom, di ba? Ang sarap ng mushroom dito.
This is also one of my favorites, yung Korean beefless bulgogi. Sobrang sarap niya. For me, hindi siya parang artificial meat at all. Ano yan?
Sarap ang cherries. Ano na to?
Tikman mo.
Champagne.
Kanina ka pa nandyan.
Tingnan mo, ang gaganda ng strawberries, oh. Grabe.
Kanina pa siya nandun.
Walang wine pa ba?
Walang alcohol.
Parang mga alcohol. Ano lang? Kahit beer.
Rambutan, 200
Saan po ang
plus.
rambutan? Samantalang sa atin, ang gaganda ng rambutan. Tingnan mo.
Tara na.
Yan lang ang gusto ko. Yung mga prutas. Saka ulam. Anak, wala tayong points.
Walang ganun dito. Ako na.
Ito yung favorite kong mga lugar. Grocery. Supermarket. Iwan mo ko dito, anak, na maghapon. Okay lang sa akin.
Diyan ka na.
Wag naman. Siyempre, pagluluto pa ako. Ang ganda kaya sa mata ng mga grocery.
Day 2 of touring my family around. We had lunch at home and now dinala ko sila dito sa student center. Manghang-mangha na sila. Hindi nila alam, wala pa to. So, my plan for today is I will bring them to TD Garden where my brother, who's an avid Boston Celtics fan, he really wants to get his Celtics merch. And I asked around and they said, that's as legit as it gets. So I will be bringing them to TD Garden and then we'll go to Prudential Center just to bring them to... You guys have seen this, diba? The deck where they can see all of Boston and Cambridge too. And then my mom has been requesting to go to Cheesecake Factory. I know that's kind of basic, but she wants it and I want to make my mom happy. Hindi ko alam kung ba't sila nagpapapicture doon. Pero, sakyan na lang natin yung trip nila. Lahat yata ng may Harvard gusto nilang, may Harvard na sign gusto nilang magpapicture. Pero okay lang yan.
Harvard Square!
Ayan na. Next stop, the Coop to get their Harvard merch.
Dad ka pa, Dad? Ayoko ng mom. Gusto ko MoMA. Paano na-discount na?
Dami din. I got a new cap. Naghahanap tatay ko ng Harvard dad na cap. Wala siyang nakikita dun sa isa. So, pumunta kami sa second. I don't know if this is a branch, but like an extension store ng Coop. Nasaan tayo, Jao?
Dito tayo sa TD Garden.
Tupad na ba ang pangarap mo?
So, dati pinapanood ko lang to kasi mahilig ako sa Celtics eh. Eh, ito na. Bibili muna tayo ng sombrero para for the picture.
Tara. We're here at TD Garden. Kita nyo naman, sobrang excited niya. Pangarap lang daw niya to. Nandito na siya. Oh, as an avid Boston Celtics fan. So ngayon, hindi niya din alam pero bibilan ko siya ng merch. Kala niya siya bibili. Okay lang yun kasi siya naman nag-edit lahat ng videos eh. So, ito na yung bayad ko sa kanya. Ayaw niyang tumanggap ng bayad eh. So, ito na yun. For all this hard work. Ano rin ba yung white? Ng mga pa?
Oh, ganda rin ang white. Hindi namimili ng something.
Kunin mo na pareho ako na magbabayad.
Wow. Ay, ano pinaka-okay? Kesa doon. No? Hindi ka na mapakali, ano? Ay, mapan ba? Ay, mapan. Ano ba eh? Parang bumalik siya sa pagka. Oh, tama na, huwag mo na hubarin yung ano. Bagay naman.
Maliit? Parang maliit.
Kaya nga sabi sa'yo, maliit eh.
Ah. Bayaran mo.
Hey guys, I saw him.
Ang mahal. Wala akong masasabi kundi, ba't ganun ka mahal ah? Ang jersey at ang sombrero. Super, ha?
Washing.
Happy yarn.
Libre.
Libre. Ang gusto sabihin libre. Alamin mo nga muna kasi kung ano yung ibig sabihin ng TD Garden. Hindi mo pala alam.
Okay, magpapapicture na siya. Dahil masayang masaya siya. Okay, tapos sila magpa-picture. So, papunta na kami ngayon sa Prudential Center. Hindi naman yung nanay ko. Board na board. Board na board. We've made it to the Prudential Center. Ay,
Hello, Chef Arby. Ito na yung provincial.
we're going up the observation deck. Pangatlong beses ko na ito, pero isa pa lang yun.
Ay, kala ko bakit? Ay, tumaba. Ito ba ang pinakamataas na ano? Oh! Pitsura pa lang, parang umano na tayo sa ano nga, oh. Nakita mo yung gumagalaw?
36 na.
Ha?
36 na.
Mahal na. 52 floors?
Thank you.
Oh! Ang gara, ano? Ay, ito ang kaiba mo ka. Wala siyang buhay na gano'n. Wala siyang... Gano'n makabang. Grabe, oh.
Okay, so mukhang nag-e-enjoy naman sila. Just to reach the things. Look at them. Okay, kakatapos lang namin sa View Boston. Gutom na daw sila. So, kakain na kami. Gusto ko ipatikim sa kanila ang lobster roll and clam chowder. Ito na ni Mama ng Cheesecake Factory. Kaya, hindi na namin gagawin yon. Gusto niya na ng cannoli na pistachio. So, hahanap kami kung saan. Maganda sa taas?
Maganda, nakakalula. Kaya lang,
Ayun na, ayun na.
sa loob na, mahal.
Hindi ka naman nagbayad eh.
Oo nga, buti na lang.
Gusto niyo ito? Lobster?
Yan yun ang pera, diba? Iba yun eh.
Lobster na.
Oh, ba't tayo sa loob? Pwede lumabas. Ano mamili yan, pino-orderin niyo?
Bakit? Ayaw ba niya? Pauwi na.
Street, then go past this light, and at the next one.
Dahil natitrade ko sa Mike's Pastry, dinala ko siya dito. Ayan na.
Ito ang gusto ko na. Pistachios. And the hazelnut.
Thank you.
Sugar?
Yeah.
7 to 7.
Thank you.
Can I have upstairs?
Today is a brand new day. Iniwan ko muna sila sa apartment kasi I will be giving a talk at Harvard. I will be talking about the state of the Philippine economy as requested by some people because our subject is economics. So it makes sense that I talk about something that I know, something that I've worked on for so many years now. And I'm excited to do it. Iniisip ko, actually hanggang ngayon iniisip ko pa kung paano ko mag-i-end it. Like, is it on a positive note? Is it on a somber note? But, I'll make up my mind when I get there.
Maybe. Wait, if you guys just all gather this way, behind there, do you think that'll be the fastest?
Alright, 1, 2, 3, cheese.
This is my country. This is the Philippines. Also Richel's country. We are the land of Manny Pacquiao. This is a very. Do you know Manny Pacquiao? Anyway, so this is he's a boxer, yeah. And this is Donald Trump wearing our traditional clothing.
Oh, nice.
Just finished the report. Just got home. My parents are downstairs already waiting for me. So today is basically Harvard Day. I will bring them across and around Harvard para makita nila kung saan nag-aaral ang anak nila. Okay, we made it to Harvard Yard. Nasa harap sila. We are going to the John Harvard statue. Funny thing about this is, sabi nila, dapat daw hawakan mo yung paa niya. I think it's for good luck or para makatapos ka ng pag-aaral sa Harvard. Pero what they don't tell you is that it's really dirty because freshman students pee on it. Like, iniihian nila yan. So, wag niyong hawakan. Pwede niyong picturean, wag niyong hawakan kasi madumi siya. Baka magkasakit pa kayo. Sobrang daming humahawak dun sa paa. Tignan nyo. Marumi yan. Marumi yan.
1, 2.
Squirrel. Madumi yan. Okay, we are going to the library. So I got to bring them kasi estudyante tayo, pero I can only bring 4 at a time, and which is so convenient kasi tatlo lang naman sila. Apat lang ba? Ito yung tribute kay Whitener. Kakagaling lang namin sa Harvard Business School. That is our last stop before going to my school, the John F. Kennedy School of Government. Pero dinala ko muna sila dito sa stadium kasi katapat lang siya ng business school. Ang laki. First time ko din dito. Yong Elamparo, J.O. Elamparo. J.O. Elamparo. Yong? Yes. I'm with my family. Is that okay? Okay, yes. Thank you. Thank you. Good day, guys. You too. Bye. We finally made it to my school, the Harvard Kennedy School. Kailangan nila mag-present ng ID sa labas. Kaya nandun pa rin sila. Yung courtyard, dito kami lagi.
Saka, yung aircon yan, ang lakas ha? Mga panelist. Kung baga na ayaw na yung space na
Maximize. Hindi ganun kalaki yung space pero...
Ano yung architect? Ano, pag hindi lang siya sa ano? Ayun. Ano siya?
Nag-reflect yung nag-reflect mo siya.
Siyempre, hindi naman niya nakikita ng ano. Ano yun ako yung nakaganan sa table?
Mike, para pag magsasalita ka.
So
Hindi pwedeng kailangan marinig ng lahat. Nagreklamo yung iba pag hindi nila narinig. That was nice. They saw the school. They took their photos. It just filled my heart with so much happiness to see them, get to know my school, where I spend so much of my time here. And now that that's done, so request naman nila ay tumingin ng mga mabibili. So I brought them to TJ Maxx. I should probably close this vlog at this point because tomorrow is our last day of being in Massachusetts for a while because we will be flying to California to attend my cousin's wedding. Yay! I am excited to see my family. I haven't seen my cousin in a long time. And hindi lang yung family niya, pero my Japanese cousins, my family who's living in Japan will be there too, and I'm so excited to see them. They've grown up so fast. I think that is something that you should watch out for, that vlog episode. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, please like and subscribe to my channel. There will be more, I promise. I hope to see you guys again, and thank you. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.